to Little Dancers Life. I'm Esha.
And I'm Nay. Esha and I are sisters and we love to dance. Do you love to dance too?
With our dancing, we love to use our imaginations and create wonderful adventures to go on while learning new dancing steps.
And we also like to bring our teddies along because sometimes they like to join in.
Would you like to bring your teddy along too?
Okay then, shall we get started? Ready?
Did you see that, boys and girls? That's our Wonderwall.
Our Wonderwall wakes up and plays with us when we activate the magic in our hearts. Would you like to say hello to our Wonderwall? Let's all do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello, Wonderwall.
That was so much fun, but we need to warm up our arms as well. How about we turn our arms into butterfly wings?
Oh yes, do you like butterflies? I love butterflies.
Me too. To do our butterfly arms, we start with our arms out to the side like this. Remember to keep your back straight and tall. And let's warm up our arms ready for flying.
All set, let's go.
So I start with 4 little arms.
All the way up to the sky. And down. Heading up again. Now just one at a time. Oh, they are so beautiful and delicate.
I think it's time for us to use some of our magic now to go on an adventure.
Oh yes, let's go on an adventure. Remember how we mix our magic? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mix our magic and go to the beach. Oh, what a lovely day for the beach. Now, to make our adventure really magical, we all need to use our imaginations and add an ingredient to the beach. And now, what would you like to add?
Let me think. I'm going to add a beach umbrella. What about you, Esha?
I'm going to add a beach ball. Boys and girls, what do you think you might like to add? There are so many great things to choose from, like sandcastles, water and dolphins,
Buckets and spades, even crabs and turtles.
Oh, let's be a turtle. We can curl in and out of our shell. Will you do it with us? You will? Okay, wonderful. So we need to stretch our legs forward. Stick our knees together and stick our feet together. Ready to be a turtle? Now remember, turtles move very slowly.
Curl into your shell. Stretch out the shell. Heading back in again. Oh, I can see a seagull. And there's a crab.
What a wonderful adventure at the beach! There are 5 main arm positions in ballet. So let's learn the first one.
Oh look, yes, Wonderwall? You'd like to help us? Do you have a good idea to help us learn the first position of our arms? Alright, can you please show us?
Balloons!
Balloons are the best. They are so much fun to play with.
What a great idea, Wonderwall! Let's pretend to blow up a great big balloon and catch it. Let's start with our feet in first position. Remember to add the glue so that your heels can stay nice and stuck together. I'll go first with 3 big breaths.
Now it's my turn.
blow up your balloon. Tickle under your arms so that they stay nice and lifted.
Let's tippy toe around. Now arms to bra bra. Boys and girls, do you know one thing I love about dancers? It's watching them dance on stage and all the beautiful costumes that they wear. They move so beautifully and gracefully.
I love it too. And did you know that there's a special step that helps dancers make their dancing look easy? This step is called a plie. The word plie means to bend. Plies are very important in ballet, and dancers do their plie exercise in every class.
And we can do them too. The best way to start is just with a small one, which is called a demi-plie. We begin with our feet in first position. We place our hands on our hips with a nice tall back to begin.
To do our demi-plies, we simply bend our knees a little way while keeping our heels on the floor. That's it, keep it nice and smooth. It's really quite easy. Shall we try it now with music?
Yes!
Okay, let's begin.
We bend slowly down, and then slowly come up, and then again. Well done, keep it nice and smooth.